What would a Jamaican do if them wake up and see a goat in a them yard? First thing, them freeze. Not because them scared, because them confused. Wait, a goat? Now the goat just standing there and eat grass like him pay rent. The Jamaican rub them eye, look again and say, Lord, a really a goat? But after 3 seconds, the shock start wear off and a different thought start creeping. Now them looking upon the goat different. No longer as an animal, but as a potential Sunday dinner. The goat still a munch grass, the Jamaican still a watch. Both of them staring at each other. One a think, nice little yard. The other a think, curry, white rice and coleslaw. Then somebody shout from next door, "That a for me goat." And the Jamaican answer, "You're lucky you come when you come." So it go? You tell me.